Thank you for joining us here on Real Estate in the Low Country. With me now is Sheri Nixon, and she is with Keller Williams Luxury. Always good to see you.
Great to be here.
So we love to talk about listings, and you happen to have one today, and we're going to talk about it. We've got a lot to talk about with the listing itself, because I know there's a lot new about it and really great things to talk about. But we also want to talk about the community, which is Summer House.
Yes, Summer House, and it's a great location, especially now that we don't have to pay a toll, because it's right there off Marshland Road, right where you can zip to the south end and zip to the north end. And I was thinking, has it been 2 years that we have not had to pay a toll?
It hasn't been 2 already?
I don't know. I was wondering about that. It seems like just yesterday.
I know, it does.
Yes, because I had 3 children. They were all going back and forth on the toll.
To go to school and everything.
Yeah,
I know.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's free right there. The community is fabulous, and they have a lot of amenities in the community. They have an amazing kind of resort style pool. They have outside big TV. They have a clubhouse, fitness center. They even have a car wash.
Which you told me before we started filming. I've never heard that before. That's amazing.
They have this car wash, and they have a vacuum. You can go there, save money that way too.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and it's gated. And the community did in 2020 all new siding with gutters and hurricane resistant windows and doors, and so they've really done a lot to make that community
huge
amazing.
Upgrade. Yeah.
So that is great about that.
And they also have like a really community feel there. I think they do get-togethers and things like that as well.
Absolutely,
if that's something
they do. I mean, my clients, they are moving to be with grandchildren, or otherwise they don't want to leave, because they have, they just that night when I was over there, they're like, we're having a potluck at the pool, and we're going to play, I don't know, it's canasta or do something. They have a lot of games. I think left, right, center, this and that. So they have a lot of fun there.
That is, I think that's appealing to a lot of people, because you want a community kind of built right in, especially if you're moving to the area new.
Absolutely, and it's dog friendly. They have a dog, and this particular unit, it's listed just under $495,000, and it is one of only 8 3-bedroom summer houses.
Okay.
So it's rare to have a 3-bedroom.
Right.
And they have 100% gutted it.
Yes.
They did over $190,000 worth of renovation in this, under 1,300 square foot villa. And they did all kinds of things that most people don't do. They moved a wall to make the great room kind of bigger. And when they did that, they put in all new insulation. So, you're in a villa complex, yet they put it in the ceiling and the sides and the new walls.
So really kind of soundproofed
Yes,
it. Yeah.
they soundproofed it. They said they're having a party, and next door you couldn't even hear. That's
fantastic.
Great for a complex like that.
Right.
Everything new, everything high end, all the appliances new, and they're like smudge proof. This client is very particular. I mean, he's like the kind you'd want to be married to, I guess, except if you put a smudge, he'd want to fix it.
He's right behind you.
Right behind you. So, but he is the one you'd want to have working on the place. I think the beautiful subway tile, he's lined it up perfectly, and all the hardware is great, and did things like when you walk in, the door you open up and lights turn on in the closet, and that sort of thing that you don't expect in, something under $500,000 on the island.
Right, huge attention to detail.
Yes, huge attention to detail. And you've got undercounter lighting, and then all high-end flooring, countertops, and all of it is beautiful. And it's shiplap. He's put shiplaps on the walls, so not only is there good insulation, I think the shiplap itself adds insulation.
Adds another layer too.
Yes.
Sure.
And then with crown molding, it is just fabulous.
Yeah, it really is stunning, and done, like you said, just top notch.
Yes, top notch. So I think that someone will love to be there. And when I was talking about that, if you look on this island under 500,000, it's really hard to find
rare.
Something,
Yeah.
especially something that's so move-in ready and so great.
So well done.
Yes, I was thinking, I wish I had one of my children here. I'd buy them a place. They would love it there. And I think all ages love it. I think it's not just the young kids. It's as they said, there's lots going on for for all ages.
All ages. Well, so we've got just a few seconds left, but it's because it's probably not going to last real long. But if somebody wants to see it, how do they get to you to do it?
They can call me 843-301-2688. I'd love to show them. Oh, and there's a garage with it. I mean, that can be purchased.
Okay.
Yes, they have a garage. Not all of them do. So that's a big deal.
That is a big deal.
Don't want to forget that.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Sheri, for sharing.
Thank you.
All right.